Let's talk about the most used methods in the assert class. And this time I will be using the string assert methods. If I click on this file, you will notice that we are having this string assert. The concept is again same. We are having the partial class assert. The namespace is XUnit, but this class has so many methods. Let's talk about most of them. The first method is this contains. Scroll down. You can notice that there are several overloaded versions of this contains method. Along with the contains, there are some more methods. Let's scroll down. Does not contain. Again, so many overloaded versions. Then we are having this empty, ends with, equal, so many overloaded versions of the equal method. We also have this matches method. We also have the starts with method. So basically, so many methods are there from this string assert class. Let's see the practical example for all of them. So this time I'm creating one more method at this place. So here I'm writing public void, and let's use the string asserts method. Copilot did so many extra things for us. This is the start with, ends with, contains. So which is fine. We are having this actual data. So this will start with this hello. This will end with this world. This will contain this LO, WO. So whatever data you have from a string, you can use that value. So from the string, you can use your own logic, but these methods are there. Let's execute it and see all of them are working fine. So we are having the contains. We have not contains. Let's try that also. Here I'm writing my name, which is fine. And I'm writing this data. Run it. This is again working fine. So we are having starts with, ends with, contains, does not contains. We also have the equal method. Remember the one we were working in the previous version? Or you can use your actual data at this place. So which is fine. Let's use this hello world, the same data. Execute it. This is working fine. Let's try more methods. So here I'm writing this Assert.Matches. So this match method will work based on the regex value. At the first one, you have to pass your regex, and then second, you have to pass your data. So if that regex is matching the data, then this will work. So right now the regex is simple, but if you are having a proper regex also, then still this will work. If I navigate to the implementation of this matches method, you will notice that this is working with the regex method. Okay, let's see what else do we have at this place. So we have covered start with, end with, and there are some comparer also. So you can try all of them. These are some very important and main methods from this string assert class. So try to use all of them. Try to practice all these methods by writing so many unit test cases for so many scenarios. In the next video, we'll talk about some more assert methods.